Right, this is a video I've been intending to make for a little while now. Hang on, let's just get out the way of everyone else. Ah, fuck me in the ass, that's painful. Let's not go that way. Anyway, as I was saying, I was just going to record a video down there exploring another abandoned house or fucking train house or whatever the fuck it is. But turns out it's full of asbestos and it's all fucking blocked off. So I'm gonna do something even more retarded than that. I'm gonna go all along the train tracks until I reach a little opening like half a mile down there, and that's gonna be something. Definitely the biggest thing I've done for YouTube at the moment. But the only reason I'm doing this is because down there there's been all fucking crackheads that have done this same path and have done it successfully. And yeah, so I'm tired, so I'm stumped for words at the moment, but I'll carry on recording when I'm about to go through. Right, luckily for me, no one is here. They might be over there, but fucking we can fucking do this. So basically, as soon as you get all the way down there, you have to go onto the train tracks. But I don't feel like jumping down, so I'm going to go the more complex way. Here we are. Let's put the torch on. Shit. Oh, kitty cat. I don't know what the fuck was in there though. My plan was going to be to... Right, if I fall here, I'm going to crack my skull on this thing. Right, no, I kind of want to know, right, let's avoid these wires. Oh, there's a path, what the fuck? Oh, this is fucking decades old. This all used to be one massive platform, but they fucking boarded this bit off. Loads of homeless people camping there. Oh, that might be what was over there then. If a train comes, I'm fucked. But the thing is, I won't know if the train is coming until I see it. Like see it with my own fucking... Let's turn my torch off for a little bit. And... fuck. So, yeah, if... Oh, shit balls. So yeah, depending on how this shit goes, I may or may not make a part 2. Either way, you know what, fuck it, torch back on. I'm not doing this without torchlight. Yo, wait, is that a whole ass bike? Okay. I might pick it up on the way back. It's only a kid's bike, but... Right, I've only got 9 minutes worth of recording left on this card. This is not good. That yellow light just turned on. I only noticed because it's reflecting off of... Well, that's on my touch. Oh, fuck. Look, you can see it's reflecting off of there. Hang on. Right. The thing I'm scared about is the fact that I don't know where it is. I won't know what way it's coming from. I don't know if I'm stressed at this point. I don't know if I'm scared or stressed. Oh god, no, not time for that. I just got that unbearable itch on my foot. You know them ones that you get, fuck. Huh, now that's why this is unstable. Oh shit, look how old this is. Oh fuck me, that's slippy. Let's not stand on the wood. Let's put my hood up so that no one will recognise me, hopefully, if I'm lucky. Here we go, we're here, baby. Oh, fuck yes. Is that a fucking traffic cone? Right off the bat we found a traffic cone. Bike lock. Lots of smash glass. traffic cone. I can hear a train. I can hear a train. Oh wait, it's right here. Right, let's go. Look. Oh my god. Wait, look. Holy shit. I arrived just as the train was coming. I'm taking that as just a lucky coincidence. I don't know if I've gone far down enough. What? No, I've gone too far. Right, you know what, fuck it, let's try and run. Normally 2 trains go by within a short amount of time, but I'm feeling cocky dunt. Oh fuck, I think I've only got 5 minutes left until this card runs out. Then I'll have to get a new one. I mean, I found some crazy shit and it's only been a couple of minutes, but here it is. Oh shit, that's wobbly. Oh my god, I'm so glad I have my hood up right now. I would have had my fucking head like glazed by that fucking brambles. Right. Let's have a look. Wait, what was that? Oh, snail. Shit. Yo, wait, when's this from? This looks old as whoa. Oh, that's not that old. Shit, there's people coming, so I gotta touch the pause. You know what fuck up people think? You know what, most people don't really care, to be fair, so... Yo, pound stretches basket. It's got things growing out of it, but fucking I'll take it. Let's pause recording for a minute. No, I can't be able to pin it out, but look at that. I don't fucking know how long that's been sat out here, but Dr. Pepper bottle, but it's been sat so long that it's gone fucking blue. I forgot my another traffic cone. Yeah, for anyone that might watch this video up to here and doesn't live in Britain, if a traffic cone, if you see fog gas, scared the shit out of me. Whoa, wait, what's this? Huh. Yo, is this a fucking blender? No, this is a Hoover. Oh my god, we found part of a Hoover. Okay, bricks, casual shit. What, is this a glass bottle? Yes, it is. Right. I don't know how many of y'all would like this shit, but... Oh yeah. Oh, that brought me some sexual some sexual. Oh, I can hear people talking. Let's go over here and pause recording for a minute. Is it smashed properly? Huh. I just realised I cut the recording by mistake, but there's a whole ass shopping trolley. I don't know when I cut the recording, but there's a whole ass shopping trolley. There's clothes over there, but what from I don't know. Oh shit, I meant who from. Yo, wait, there's a passageway back here. But I'm not gonna go nowhere stupid. I think it's my time to get the fuck out of here. Honey? Oh, so whoever did... Oh, that was from Aldi, so... Right. See you in the next video. Comment where the fuck I should go next. Because this is some next level shit. I'm not... Fuck, that's the only way I can get back out. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ow. Alright, see you in the next one, guys.